Hey there, model enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Small Scale Fun Channel, your go-to hub for scale modeling. Today, we're diving into the iconic world of Japanese sports cars with the Tamiya Nissan Fairlady Z model kit. Known for its sleek design and powerful real-life performance, this kit brings the Fairlady Z to your workbench with Tamiya's signature attention to detail. The body shell has clean lines and accurate proportions that match the real Fairlady Z. Minimal mold lines or sprue connections make prep work straightforward. The kit includes accurately replicated headlights, taillights, grille details, and air intakes. The interior is highly detailed, with molded buttons, air vents, and gauge clusters. Bucket seats with fabric texture patterns are included. The shape and proportions are well replicated, resembling the actual car. Tires made of soft rubber with accurate tread patterns. Exterior decals includes badges, emblems, and license plates to match the Fairlady Z branding, and interior decals provides dashboard dials and navigation screens. Excellent part fitment reduces the need for modifications. A high level of detail enhances the model's realism. User-friendly instructions cater to various skill levels. Tamiya's commitment to detail shines in this kit. From the fine panel lines on the body to the meticulously crafted interior components, it offers a balanced mix of challenge and satisfaction for both novice and advanced builders. Painting and assembly of the interior details provide a great opportunity for customization, allowing builders to truly bring the car to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see the upcoming build for this kit, and check the tools and supplies I used to build this kit in the comments section. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.